Hello again, traders. Right, this is an impromptu video because I was about to go out and do the horses and it's just throwing it down with rain, so looks like I'm going to get wet, but let's hope the shower stops before I go out. Anyway, this actually wasn't the subject of the video either, but while I'm on this, looking at this, I thought I'd mention it, and that is something I mentioned on Twitter, and I posted the copy of this chart a while back actually when the price was lower, but to all intents and purposes was a good 3CR, strong move down on the RsiHisto, and now something I've not made a video about. As you can see, the TMA slope was saying no to selling. That's what the X is, and the commentary on there is. So, and that's why I have the TMA as well as the RSI, because you know the RSI here and TMA agree, which is why that arrow's there. 3CR monster momentum move as well. Which was the little red arrow behind the pink arrow actually is Dinesh's alert. So best forex method on Twitter is where you'll find all my indicators. Everything on these charts is absolutely free, and the stuff that Dinesh, Sharon, Onesie, and the other coders, Paul and Hamish, are all supplying free of charge, so we're so lucky in that respect. Thank you guys. So anyway, so that's explaining that. So you know, I want to be looking for these sort of situations, and whilst this is an H4 chart, I could be looking at a weekly, daily, M5, whatever. This will look exactly the same. It doesn't matter what chart you're looking at. So you know, always, in my opinion, have both things on your charts. And also, while we're here, something I don't mention enough is I taught myself clean, absolutely naked candlestick trading, which is how I developed the 3CR, and then added back the best indicators that I could find. So in my opinion, the RsiHisto and this TMA slope, both found on Forex Factory for free, well, Dinesh's one now is a modified RsiHisto, which is fantastic, with a few additional alerts now, but they are, you know, all your MACDs, your stocks and all that lot. I've tested everything until you know my head hurts. So but when you've got something that you trust, and it doesn't have to be the 3CR, it could be anything, you know, the Strat, all their different combinations of candles. I know Robin the Black doesn't like to use the indicators of any sorts, but that's his choice. It's not necessarily the right choice or the wrong choice for that matter, and you know, don't be frightened of looking at my indicators and think I'm a complete amateur. I'm not. I've done the homework, I've done the hours required to do it. So anyway, to the point of this video, sorry for garbling on there. Let's have a look at another set of charts. There we go, got another alert flying around there. GJ, a trade I took this morning. Basically, the alert, Dinesh's alert fired off, so I immediately looked at the chart and I could see we'd got the Simon's Volbomb trigger here, and then we can clearly see all the other things that go into choosing these trades, as it were. Fantastic divergence, higher high making lower lows, or lower highs rather, on both the RSI and the TMA. Once again, they are doing their job well. So we've got the best of the RSI here and Dinesh's indicator. We've got the best of the free TMA slope off of Forex Factory. What I do is I tend to either put two trades on so that I can walk away from them, actually set my stops and set my take profits, as opposed to one trade and then having to close a portion of the trade. That's just the way MT4 works, and then you know, and having to literally manually sit and watch it, which is not good for your health or your stress levels, to be honest with you. So divergence, the point of this video, actually the reason I wanted to make it was that another thing that I don't mention enough, you know, I entered this as a result of what was going on here and the alert. The 3CR hadn't happened at that stage. You can see the 3CR line there, which was this candle here, which was you know, that's the thing the point of the video is you don't have to wait for the 3CR with the volume bomb alert, as it were, because you may well get in later. Use multi-time frame alignment, check the ADR as well. We can see we're clearly way away from the sorry for that saying, but we're miles away from the daily open. I've got that little indicator on my charts too, so way up there, 138 or whatnot on roughly. So so many different aspects of this need to be taken into account when you're considering entering trades. But what can I say? The setup I've got on here now is absolutely perfect for me anyway. But you have to develop your own method of finding and entering trades. But as I've posted on Twitter today numerous times, the H4 dashboard is invaluable to me. The weekly dashboard, found a trade just looking at charts for 5 minutes on Sunday night, ready for Monday morning's market open, and it just goes on and on. You can daily dashboard can be used in the same way. So to find out about what I do, just use the search on my Twitter feed, and also use the search on this YouTube channel, and just throw in a few words: 2B reversal, or 2B even, 3CR, 3 candle reversal, RSI for the RsiHisto, ADR if you need to find stuff about the average daily range, the overextended, which is what this is. 5 days is 62, so you're good for a potential pullback at that. But really what I'm doing now is waiting for Dinesh's alerts. I also talked about this morning, a support and resistance. You could set it, already alerts you automatically if you set it correctly. You could put an alert down here, and then when it hits it, if you're away from your charts, you can get the alert sent to your phone. Then you just have to wait for the correct potential reversal on the RsiHisto. So we've got so many tools in our toolbox now, it's just incredible. So thanks for watching, have a good day. I've got to go and get wet now.